Welcome to the complete Microsoft investment tutorial. Microsoft, with a market cap of $3 trillion, is one of the world's most valuable companies.
Microsoft Corporation dominates the technology sector, with a market capitalization of $3 trillion a year. Microsoft generates revenue from 5 major segments. Intelligent cloud, including Azure. Opening a brokerage account is your first step. Visit platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Interactive Brokers. International investors can easily access U.S. markets. Interactive Brokers accepts investors from most commands. Purchasing Microsoft stock is straightforward. Open your app and search ticker MSFT.
Two main investment strategies exist. Lump sum means investing $10,000 at once. Let's project a $5,000 investment. Conservative 10% annual returns grow to $8,053.
Doubling investment to $10,000 doubles projections. Conservative 10% yields $16,000. Microsoft rewards shareholders with dividends. Currently paying $3 per share annually, owning it. Microsoft carries medium-low investment risk, rated 3 out of 5 stars. Loss probability decreases. Understanding volatility manages expectations. Microsoft's beta of 0.85 to 0.9. Competition risk rates medium at 20%. In cloud computing, Amazon regulatory risk stands at 15%. Microsoft faces antitrust investigation EU. Proper allocation manages risk effectively. Never exceed 15% in single stock. Open app, tap trade, search MSFT showing $415. Select limit order for price. Knowing when to buy more is crucial. Green signals. Market corrections 10 prices on sales. Know when to sell to prevent mistakes. Sell when Microsoft exceeds 15%, requiring rebalancing. Tax optimization significantly impacts returns. U.S. short-term gains under 1 year are taxed. Complete research. Open account. Choose strategy. Make first purchase. Commit to long-term thinking.